If you're missing the smells of Christmas around your house, then you gotta check out these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a box just got from Rustic Rays Candle Company. You have seen her candles on my channel before because I love them. But one of the problems I was having this year is that I realized that something missing from my childhood was the smell of Christmas, the smell of evergreen and pines, because as a kid, we would always get a real Christmas tree and it would fill the house with all these delicious evergreen smells. And I realized that as I've gotten older and become an adult, I'm an adult now, I have switched over to artificial everything because it's cheaper, easier, less messy. But one of the things that I miss is that smell of evergreen. So I picked up this. Looks like packaging material. Oh, it's got some tape and a peanut on the bottom here. But this is her soy bowl candle. As you can see, we've got this kind of scraped bowl right here. And then we have her soy candle. And this one, you might be able to see there, is Fraser Fir. Not Fraser Crane, one of my favorite TV shows, but Fraser Fir. And I will tell you that even though this thing was wrapped up in the box, in packaging, as soon as I opened the box, I was just hit with the smell of that Fraser Fir. I mean, this smells like an evergreen tree. It smells like I have evergreen garland draped all over the house. It is very potent. I was actually worried about that because a lot of times they put just a little bit of that scent into candles. And so you open it up and you have to really get into it and you have to be like, but this has a lot of scent. It is very pungent in a good way because I can smell it from here. As I was carrying the box in, I could smell it wafting out of there. So obviously we have a ton of soy wax, we have 3 wicks, and this thing does smell like the real thing. It's so good. I mean, it just brings you back. So if you want to add a little bit of candle ambiance to your holidays, but certainly add that evergreen smell that you might be missing because you're like me and you went the easy route with the artificial stuff, this is going to add it all back. So I would definitely pick up a set of these for your holidays. If you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda.
But this is her soy bowl count. Try that again. This is her soy bowl. Oh man, one more time.